Hey guys, and welcome back to How Logical. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to enable camera uploads in Dropbox mobile. Now let us begin. As you can see, I have already logged into my account. In case you have not, do log in. It is quite easy. If you don't know how to log in, we have created a video regarding that as well. Now let's simply look at how to enable camera uploads. Initially, what you guys need to do is simply go to account. The buttons at the bottom right corner of the screen. Simply click on it, and then this page will open up. This is the account settings, and right now what we need to do is simply go to settings. At the top right, you will see a gear-like icon that is in fact settings. Click on it right now. Once you are in the settings page, as you can see, lots and lots of options, and right under the speeches tab, you can see a button like this that says camera uploads. Just click on it right now. Once you're in the camera uploads page, you will see these photos like backup, all my photos, include videos or not, use cellular data to backup. Well, it's up to you. But for now, what you guys need to do is simply hit on turn on camera uploads. And guys, that's it. That's how we enable camera uploads. Do note that you can simply turn it off from right here. You just need to click on this turn off camera uploads. For your information, you can upload from multiple albums. I'm gonna click on the last button right here. And from here, you can simply select the albums for which you want to back up. And guys, that's it. That's how you enable camera uploads in Dropbox Mobile. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Your support fuels us. Until next time, thank you.